I'm Tracy Townsend. Thank you for joining us here for 10 TV News at noon. We're starting with breaking news. A new witness finished testifying just a half hour ago in the trial of Jason Meade, even after both the prosecution and the defense rested their cases. The former Franklin County Sheriff's Office deputy is charged with murder in the 2020 death of Casey Goodson Jr. The defense rested, again, just over 2 hours ago, and then the prosecution rested last week. But then the prosecution filed new subpoenas. One of those subpoenas was for Christopher Korn. He was the first to take the witness stand just over 2 hours ago. Defense attorneys have asked for all GPS records and Korn's employment file. His address on the court documents is listed as a heating and cooling business. Last week, one of Goodson's neighbors claimed that she was concerned about an HVAC van in the neighborhood on the day of the shooting. Today in court, the prosecution asked Korn whether he had previously been asked about that day.
Did you eventually have contact with law enforcement about what you saw?
Not until here recently.
So you're saying that from December of 2020 until 2024, nobody contacted you about this?
Correct.
Sir, let me ask you a better question.
Korn testified about reaching out to Goodson Jr.'s mother, Tamala Payne, on social media. The first back and forth you are about to hear is between Korn and the defense. They asked him about messages he sent to Payne over Facebook. The second back and forth that you'll hear in just a second is between Korn and the prosecution about Tamala Payne's interaction with his messages.
You testified on direct examination in part that you had some Facebook encounters with her, right?
Yes.
You followed her on Facebook, didn't you?
Yes.
Could you tell the ladies and gentlemen of the jury when you started following Miss Payne?
A week and a half ago.
Did Ms. Payne ever respond to any of your communications?
No.
Again, 10 TV has a crew in the courtroom right now. We expect one more witness to take the stand today. Stick with us right here on 10 TV, starting on 10 TV News at 5 o'clock as we continue to bring you the latest on the new developments out of this hearing. Remember, 10 TV is streaming the entire trial for you. When it resumes at 1:15 today, you can watch it live on 10 TV Plus. It's free to download on your Roku, Amazon Fire, or Apple TV, or you can see it at 10tv.com.